Sniper is down.
Alright. Shit! I didn't realize I was so low on ammo. I should have been paying attention.
Sniper working. Move up. Long gun frag.
Drop this here. Whatever, I got a bunch of denies and confirms there, so.
Hold the line, Crimson. This is ours to lose.
Spring mine was struck.
Okay.
Enemy dispatch. Got their marks. Let's move.
Oop. I didn't get any kills there, damn. Never mind, we got him. I'm just blindly firing, hoping that the person I'm shooting at will turn the corner.
Sir, long gun.
Okay.
Scour the area.
Not as good. I could have done better. But whatever, that's good. Yeah, I have a LinkedIn. I'll link it to. Oh, I got best play. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, Big Bird. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm a shark.
Clear. Sniper is down.
See, I'm a shark, and I can do this. Okay, hold up. Where's my baby? What is she getting into? There she is. She's in the fridge. Of course she is. Put those back, please. Put those back, please. These go in the refrigerator. These go in here. Thank you. Come on. Oh, hi. Come here. Do you just need daddy? Can I have a kiss kiss? No kisses? Okay. Can you come over here and sit down for a minute? This is last game, and then Daddy's gonna call it, okay? This is last game, and then Daddy's gonna call it. Oh, she just needs a cuddle. She just needs a cuddle. She's all, like, curled up next to me and into my arms. Oh. I love this baby. Mwah. Come on, guys, Skyline! I mean, I'll do subsonic, but just Skyline greater than subsonic, in my opinion. Yes! They can hear me. Alright, you know what? It's been a while since I used the CP9. But this is a pretty good SMG round, I think. Team deathmatch? Alright. I need the headshots, but I really want to... Here we go. It's been a minute, and this thing is so good. I got a first kill with my impact grenade. Nice.
Enemy dropped.
Just standing there like, wait a minute, is he on the other team? Oop, I got killed there, okay. Ooh, I got a triple kill. Blunt machete, that would suck.
Troops in contact.
Yeah, Big Bird's here today, Phil. We've been chatting. I think he misses you too, buddy. Got him. Blunt machete disconnected? No.